Today we'll be discussing on a very important topic, the art of cooperation with gods. In Bhagavad Gita chapter 3, 12th shloka, Karma Yoga, Krishna is telling, Ishtan bhogan hi vo deva dasyante yagya bhavitaha ter dattana apradhebhyo yo bhunkte stena eva saha. In charge of various necessities of life, the demigods, being satisfied by the performance of yajna, supply all necessities to man. But he who enjoys these gifts without offering them to the demigods in return or the devatas is certainly a thief. So we see that just there is a cabinet ministry, there are various departments. Similarly, in this universal function, there are various departments. Ganesha is also called the Vignaharta, or Lord who remove obstacles from the path of bhakti. The Surya Devata gives light. The Bhumi Devi helps us to grow the crops. Vayu Devata gives us the oxygen. Agni Devata gives us light and the energy to cook the food. Chandradev gives the taste to the vegetables, just like chlorophyll causes the photosynthesis by the sunlight. Yama is the lord of death. Shanidev awards the punishments for the negative karmas which we do, and Chitragupt keeps the karmic balance sheet of every human being. These are not mythology, these are truth and facts. As we read the scriptures and experience life, we will be able to get deep realizations on the same. Just like if a father is there and the son regularly thanks the father for whatever the father gives, the father will happily give more and more. But if the son becomes oversmart and at one point of time tells the father, I don't need you anymore, I'm self-sufficient, enough is enough, I can take care of myself, then the father lovingly says, okay son, no problem. And then he leaves the son, and sometimes it may be a great difficulty for the son to get the things and act in this world. Similarly, if we don't give the reciprocation of love or the energy exchange because of so many free gifts which we get from the universe, like the sun, the light, the energy, the gravitation, the rains, then we are just like thieves who are stealing the things and not expressing our gratitude to the devatas. And how do we express the gratitude? Through the yajnas which we perform. And in the Kali Yuga, the yajna which needs to be performed is the Harinam Sankirtan yajna, by which there is purification of this universe, there is purification of the soul, and there is offering to the Paramatma or the super soul, by which the humans, the host of the devatas, and everyone lives happily amongst themselves. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. If you liked this video, subscribe my channel now and press the bell icon for further notifications, and you can download my free app. Thank you.